Okay, fam, I done made it home. This is my first transaction that I did in Walgreens. I bought the Colgate toothpaste, Colgate toothbrush. As I was showing you, they have when you buy two participating products, you'll get a $3 register reward back. I had a $2.50 off here, $2.50 off here. I paid $3 out of pocket, and I got back the $3 register reward. So let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. You see, I had the $2.50 off, the toothbrush came off, the $2.50 off, the toothpaste came off. I paid $3 out of pocket. I got back my $3 register reward, which I rolled that into my next transaction. Okay, this is my second transaction that I did from the Colgate. Okay, they had the Dove buy two, you get a $2 register reward. I had a 6 off 2 digital that came off. And I rolled the register reward that I got from here onto here to lower my out-of-pocket. I paid $5 out-of-pocket and got back the $2 register reward. So let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. You see the $3 register reward that I rolled from there onto here, plus the 6 off 2 digital came off. I paid $5 out-of-pocket, got back the $2 register reward, which I rolled that until my next and last transaction. Okay, this is my last transaction. I did the Palm Olive. I wanted to do the Scott deal, but they was out. I guess everybody's stockpiling the Scott toilet tissue and the Scott paper towel, which that is a great, 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 great deal. If you can do that deal, fam, do it. It's buy one, get one 50% off, which will bring $7.50. Then you got $1 digital off the tissue, $1 digital off the paper towel, which will bring it down to $5.50. Great, 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 great deal. But I did this instead. They got the Palmolive. When you buy two, you get a $2 register reward. I had $1 off one digital that came off. Plus, I rolled my $2 register reward from here onto here to lower my out-of-pocket. So let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. As you can see, they was $5.98 for two. They $2.99 a piece. You see the $2 register reward that I rolled plus my $1 off one digital. That brought it down to $2.98. After the register reward, that made these, I got my $2 register reward back from this right here. Because when you buy two, you get a $2 register reward. That made these 98 cents for two. 98 cents for two, fam. You cannot beat that. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on so you know when I upload another video. This was a great haul. I really, really, really wanted that Scott, but they was out and I wasn't finna drive to another store and burn my gas looking for no Scott toilet tissue and no paper towel. I ain't gonna do it. It ain't that important. I'll check tomorrow or later on in the week when I go by Walgreens. I ain't gonna ride all over town looking for no Scott toilet tissue and no paper towel. It ain't that important. Don't do that, fam. So give me the thumbs up. Until the next video, y'all have a blessed day. Because it's a beautiful day. Bye-bye.